Hi everyone, it's me again with the story of a seagull and the cat who taught her to fly. Today I will continue with the chapter 7. Chapter 7 will continue the path to find a way to rescue the swooning seagull by coming to see a very professorly cat named Einstein. Einstein, as his namesake, is very interested in reading every pages of books and is very excited about sharing what he read and everything news he read in the book. However, his passion sometimes put our cats into a very pretty kettle of fish. For example, when our cats raised their problem, he quickly looked into his encyclopedia to find information for solution. However, instead of searching for information about seagull, he accidentally focused on guillotine, a terrible device to cut off head, or events like Gulf War in 1990s. At the end of chapter 7, finally they found out the way to remove stains from the seagull body by using benzene. And now I am very interested. I am very interested in reading aloud one of the paragraph in the chapter 7. On the page where he found the word stain remover, besides instructions on how to remove stains from marmalade, china ink, blood, and raspberry syrup, they found the formula for removing oil stains. Cleaning the affected area with a cloth moistened in benzene. We've got it, John Einstein. We don't have anything, Joba hissed with obvious bad humor. Where the devil are we going to get the benzene? Well, if I'm not mistaken, in our cellar, we have a large can filled with paintbrushes soaking in benzene. Secretariat, do you know what you have to do? The colonel yawned. Scusi said no, but I don't get. Secretariat apologized. Very simple. It's easy. You will dip your toe in benzene, and then we will go take care of that poor girl. The colonel clarified, gazing off in a different direction.